Okay, guys, crude oil trader here with a mid-morning update. Not a whole lot going on in the CL contract this morning. Came in from the overnight action. We moved the complete opposite yesterday. Yesterday came into an uptrend. Now we sold off from the 94 area down to the 93s. Typical. I've seen this happen a lot where they rally it up here into some high volume areas and then continue to trend down. The most interesting chart this morning, in my opinion, is the gold. You can see this rally in the 8 o'clock area, but then this huge sell-off here. So I kept an eye on crude, thinking maybe they would correlate and crude would follow through. Obviously, you can't take that trade until you see the action, warrant to take the short with it. But it did not follow through. Crude's just been trading around the high volume areas. You can see it's building a lot of volume in the 93.16 area. I have the chart from the ninth. Actually, this is the ninth. You can see there's a lot of volume built in this 93.11 to 92.85, and the same thing happened the last couple of days. So essentially it's staying in that range and up there in the 93.50s, which is where it did on the open, down to the 92.90s. So nothing really going on this morning in crude. The ES and the NQ flat overnight. This morning came in, they popped it a little bit, especially the NASDAQ. We saw new highs on the ES, went up to the 1468 level, and now they're trying to sell a little bit. I mean, it's nothing great. Went from 1467 to 1463, so they're doing a 4-point sell on the ES, and that's essentially what I see happening this morning. And going to keep an eye on things, but the news is out. I don't see any more news coming. Placer spoke at 9:30. I'm pretty sure that's over with at this point. So from this point forward, whatever happens is just going to be a clean break. Looking for volume, looking for momentum, trying to join that momentum. I'm not too hopeful in moves, but I'm gonna stay here and keep watching, and I'll give you guys an update if I see anything that looks significant.